Located between Rotterdam and The Hague in the province of South Holland, the historic city of Delft is one of the Netherlands' most charming and culturally significant destinations. Renowned for its picturesque canals, elegant architecture, and artistic heritage, Delft offers visitors a quintessential Dutch experience while retaining a relaxed atmosphere distinct from the country's larger cities. Founded in the 11th century, Delft grew into an important trading center during the Dutch Golden Age. Much of its historic character has survived, and the city center remains a beautifully preserved network of canals, bridges, cobbled streets, and gabled houses. Walking through Delft feels like stepping into a Dutch master painting, with reflections of historic buildings shimmering in the water and church towers rising above the skyline. Delft is perhaps best known as the home of Johannes Vermeer, one of the most celebrated painters of the Dutch Golden Age. The city inspired many of his works, and visitors can still recognize scenes that resemble the quiet streets and canals depicted in his paintings. Delft also played a crucial role in Dutch history as the residence of William the Silent, the leader of the Dutch revolt against Spanish rule. His tomb lies within the magnificent Nieuwe Kerk, one of the city's most important landmarks. Facing it across the main square stands the historic Oude Kerk, famous for its leaning tower and centuries of history. Together, these churches dominate the cityscape and reflect Delft's importance through the ages. Another defining feature of Delft is its world-famous blue and white pottery, known as Delftware. Produced since the 17th century, these ceramics became an iconic symbol of Dutch craftsmanship and remain closely associated with the city. Workshops and museums allow visitors to learn about this enduring artistic tradition. Delft is also a center of innovation and education, home to the prestigious Delft University of Technology. The university contributes a youthful and dynamic energy that complements the city's historic atmosphere. What makes Delft especially captivating is its harmonious balance between history, art, and modern life. It possesses all the beauty of the Netherlands, great historic cities, but on a more intimate scale. With its canals, cultural treasures, and enduring traditions, Delft offers a rich and authentic glimpse into the heart of Dutch heritage.